nation. Museveni, no freedom of speech. Museveni, run, 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 Museveni, run, 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 boy, run, run, that's the old man. Museveni is not a leader, bloody killer, what a misleader. Oh Uganda, kick out this murderer, what a dictator, foolful leader. Museveni is not a leader, bloody killer, what a misleader. Oh Uganda, kick out this murderer, what a dictator, foolful leader.
United forces of change, the only way we are go get a liberation again. United forces of change, opposition must come together as one. Our people complaining night and day, they wonder why they continue to live this way. All we know that things can change someday, if we really want them to change anyway. Uganda land of abundance, but Ugandans living in deficiency. Museveni wants life presidency, we must abandon that silly tendency. Uganda rich but Ugandans poor, because the leader is drunk on power. He runs nation like family affair, the citizens suffer but he don't care.